Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and hardware. Today, we're diving into the world of storage with the Teamgroup Cardea Z540 SSD, a cutting-edge PCIe 5.0 SSD that's been making waves in the market. Let's see if this SSD lives up to the hype. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. The Teamgroup Cardea Z540 is billed as the fastest SSD yet, and it's not hard to see why. Sporting impressive sequential read and write speeds. This SSD is designed for enthusiasts who demand top-notch performance for tasks like content creation and gaming. In our testing, the Cardea Z540 blew us away with its lightning-fast speeds, outperforming competitors like the crucial T700 in multiple benchmarks. Whether you're transferring large files or running demanding applications, this SSD handles it all with ease. One thing to note is the lack of a built-in heatsink, which is a bit disappointing considering the high power consumption of this SSD. However, with the right aftermarket solution or motherboard heatsink, you can easily keep temperatures in check. Teamgroup offers the SSD Smart Tool for basic diagnostics and performance testing, but third-party software is needed for imaging and cloning. While it's not the most feature-rich software suite, it gets the job done. Now, let's talk about endurance. With a 5-year warranty and up to 700 terabytes of writes per terabyte of capacity, the Cardea Z540 is built to last. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore enthusiast, you can trust this SSD to keep up with your demands. In conclusion, the Teamgroup Cardea Z540 is a powerhouse SSD that delivers on its promise of speed and performance. While it's not without its drawbacks, such as the lack of a heatsink, its impressive benchmarks and reliability make it a solid choice for anyone in need of top-tier storage. That wraps up our review of the Teamgroup Cardea Z540 SSD. What are your thoughts on this blazing fast storage solution? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy computing!